Hey everyone, it's Jackie Potter with Compass, and I am here in beautiful downtown Santa Barbara, where I am really excited to give you guys a tour of Casa Esmeraldo. So come on in, let's check it out. Nestled in the heart of downtown and less than a mile from the beach, this elegant condo sits in a gated, intimate community that offers privacy and proximity to everything. From the architecture to the sweeping views of the Riviera, there's a sense of European charm that makes this home truly unique. Step inside and you're greeted by an inviting foyer that leads into an open floor plan, seamlessly connecting the dining area, kitchen, and living room. With a blend of Tuscan style and modern accents, this space is designed for effortless entertainment and daily enjoyment. Upstairs, you'll find a living room slightly more cozy than downstairs, and 2 ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets and full bathrooms. One of the bedrooms opens up to a private balcony, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The 3rd floor is home to another ensuite bedroom, also with its own balcony, offering a tranquil retreat above the vibrant streets of Santa Barbara. This condo truly captures the essence of downtown living, blending luxury, comfort, and timeless style in a truly exceptional setting. I hope you like this listing as much as I do. If you'd like to schedule a private tour or have any other questions, please reach out.